So our second book has arrived. Let's have a look. It's for you, Orlando. It's called The Dream Bird. Shall we open it up? Orlando is 5 months old now. Getting very interactive. Are you excited to open it? Are you going to play with the book? You want to open the pages? Do you want Mummy to read some more? Are you going to read it to Mummy? Okay, you read it. Orlando, do you want to read this book again? It's called The Dream Bird. Look, the little boy is sleeping. His name is George. George was a day child. Can you see George swinging? Yeah. Do you want to touch it? There's George. And there's his teddy bear. He loved to run in the sunshine. He always had fun in the light, but no matter how hard he played in the day, sleep never came easily. Good boy. You're turning the pages. Try counting sheep, his sister suggested. Try counting backwards from 100. There's his brother. Look, there's the brother. And there's his sister. And there's George. Do you want to eat it? You're going to turn it back the other way. Okay. Oh, look. Look at that beautiful blue colour. Turn the page this way. Ready? We go this way. Oh, you're gonna... No? Okay. You can play with it. There he is with the ball, look. He's kicking the ball.